My name is Andrea Walker. I'm a physician assistant with LMH Health. My PA school had a focus in family medicine, and then I did some electives in geriatric care and pediatrics. And then as I've practiced, I have gained a lot of experience and focus in care with type 2 diabetes. And so that's what I did for about 7 years. Most of my focus was on diabetes care recently. I also really enjoy procedures, and so I like to get a little cutting and sewing in, and sometimes joint injections and nail removals, and so I like to try to keep the day interesting and work those things in too. A quote that probably describes well my philosophy of care goes something like, "Some people are more certain of everything than I am of anything." And I think that was a quote from a US Secretary of Treasury years ago, but I think it's very applicable to medicine and practicing medicine with humility. Taking that approach really helps me examine my biases and assumptions, and the way that I might interact with patients. It helps me to make sure I don't miss things or be dismissive of things from patients. So I really think it's a simple idea, but it's impactful in the quality of interaction that I have with patients. The advice I would like to give to my patients is to not be afraid to get back with me about things. If we've made a plan and you're not tolerating medication, or just things aren't going down the road that you thought it would, or you just think of a question you forgot to ask, please contact me back. You can call, you can use the patient portal, you can come see me again. But if something's not going right, I want to know about it. We may need to make a plan adjustment, but sometimes the first try isn't the right one for you, and it's important that we communicate so that we know how to hone that treatment specific to you. People should come to LMH for their medical care because it's a really fabulous local hospital. It's a great support to the health of the community. I volunteered here for a couple of years, so I've been able to see and observe the way the staff interacts with patients and supports patients, how hard they work to make sure that they get it right. And it's a place that I get my care and that I'm happy to bring my family to get their care.